cannot protect them. A female sea turtle lays eggs on shore. She digs holes in sand and lays her eggs in the holes. She covers the eggs with sand to hide them from predators. But when the female turtles return to sea, once the eggs hatch, newborn turtles climb out of the nest. They need to make the ocean before predators find them. Predators such as birds and crabs hunt baby turtles on land. Some fish hunt baby turtles in the ocean. Some animals feed or nurse their offspring. Other newborn animals have to survive on their own. Either way, most animals face threats such as predators and harsh environment. If an animal survives these dangers, it can grow into an adult. Baby turtles rush toward the sea together. This increases their chance of
surviving
predators.